2025. It was the year the fabric of our world was tested. We faced disasters that tried to tear us apart. We saw how fragile things can be. But you cannot tear the human spirit. At E1, we know that a jersey is more than just cloth. It's a flag, a signal that says, "I belong here." We stand together. It's time to suit up for the biggest game of our lives, rebuilding. Let's wear our colors proudly, not to fight, but to heal. Goodbye to the shadows of 2025. Welcome to a brighter 2026. Happy New Year from E1.